Hi, this tutorial is to help you join a Google Meet meeting. So you've either received information from someone, like in an email, or you've been invited to an event on your Google Calendar. So let's look at the Google Calendar. So if you've got something on your calendar there, if you click on that event, then you're going to see the details to join the Meet. So if you've got a laptop, or maybe there's also a Meet app for iPad or Android tablet, so that would be something else. If you need to use this on a tablet, you'd want to download the app. If you're on a computer of some kind, you can click this link. And you can use this whether or not you have a webcam, whether or not you have a microphone, you can look in. If you have neither of those, then you won't be able to participate with the talking or having us see you, but you can still hear. If you have the live stream option, this is just like peering in. No one will know that you're there, and you can't interact. So not usually ideal. If you don't have a device that will allow you to pull up the web page, you can also just call in with a phone. And in that case, you would just enter this phone number. It would ask you for this PIN number, and then you press the pound sign, and then you'll be in. So we'll know that someone has called in, you would be able to talk to us, and you would also be able to hear everything that's being said in the Meet. Okay, so let's sample this. If you click on that link there, now it's taking you to the Meet page. If all you had was this code, you could also type in meet.google.com/the code. So you are going to come to a screen that looks like this. And then you ultimately are going to click Join Now. Before you click Join Now, you might want to mute your microphone. So that means no one else can hear what you're saying. And you might want to turn off your camera if you don't want others to see you, which is fine. If you're not planning to be talking, it's a good idea to have your microphone muted so that people aren't hearing sounds that you're making. The sound of typing on a laptop is actually quite loud and disruptive in a webcast. So if you're not needing to talk at the moment, it's a good idea to have yourself muted. You can always unmute once you get in the conference. So choose the settings you like, and then click Join Now. Now you're in the Meet. I'm the only one here. If there were other people here, you would see them listed along the side. You could also pull up a list of the information of everyone that's here. There is also a chat. So if you were in this Meet and you had a question, but maybe you didn't want to interrupt, you could type it here. And then people would be able to see it. Maybe someone would respond to you in the chat, or maybe the moderator would respond to you verbally. So that's there. If at some point you're in your Meet and you either want to unmute yourself or turn off your webcam, turn on your webcam, these options might go away. All you have to do is click on the screen to get them to come back. So you can turn off your webcam by clicking the camera button. You can turn on or off your microphone by clicking this. If you want to see the closed captioning, you can also click to turn on the captions. They're vary in quality, of course. And by clicking the camera button, you can turn on or off your microphone by clicking this. If you want to see the closed captioning, you can also click to turn on the captions. They're vary in quality, of course. And I was going to say something else that I forgot. Chat. Okay. Then what else? I think that's it. So when you're done, when the Meet is over, if you need to leave, you can click the hangout button. You can, or you can just close the browser tab and you'll be done. Okay, see you soon.